hospital. The attorney responds, okay, I follow, I understand. Then, Kat says, Mr. Matlala says in chat 4, immediately after sending the screenshot of his conversation with his attorney, please show him. In other words, please show General Sibiya. And if we go to 272, we see that that's what you do. So at 20:43 that night, you forward all of your correspondence with Mr. Matlala to General Sibiya, starting with chat number 2. There's a news article regarding a certain general in SAPS whom they're trying to associate with me in our court application. We've seen that chat before. Please forward this to him. I asked my lawyers to rectify that mistake. Then there's the screenshot that gets forwarded, that you forward to General Sibiya, and you also forward Mr. Matlala's message, please show him. So what I want to put to you coming out of all of this is that Mr. Matlala said something which was essentially truthful in his affidavit in the Pretoria High Court, namely that he had a relationship with General Sibiya. General Sibiya did not want it publicly known that Mr. Matlala had a relationship with him. So he spoke to you to get Mr. Matlala to obfuscate that fact. He did that despite the fact that Mr. Matlala had such a close relationship with him that he was invited to private Thanksgiving functions at General Sibiya's house. And under pressure from General Sibiya, communicated through you, Mr. Matlala then fudged what he had said in his affidavit so as to obfuscate the relationship that he had with General Sibiya. What's your comment on that?
I agree.
Can we then go back to page 74? Because what we then see is Mr. Matlala's follow-up. The very next day, and indeed the next message that he sends to you is chat number 5. And he says, please send picture of the card back and front. That's at 1811. At 1839, there is a call from Mr. Matlala to you, and over the page, chat number 1 on page 75, there's a call back from you. At 1847, there is the photograph of you, there are 2 photographs of you holding the Luxo African Brands credit card or debit card, and they appear at Annexure Bundle 24 and 25, Annexure Bundle 24 and 25. Do you see them at Annexure Bundle 24 and 25?
I see it, Commissioners.
And these Luxo African Brand Investments is a company of Mr. Matlala, and the card is a card issued in Mr. Matlala's name.
That's correct, Commissioners.
And he wants a picture of you holding the card front and back, the front and back of the card. Do you confirm that that was his requirement of you?
He wanted a picture of the card front and back. I confirm, Commissioners.
Can we see how you dealt with this in your witness statement? And for that, we need to go to the statement bundle, page 1. And there you say, paragraph 5,
Sorry, you said page 1.
it is page 1 of the statement bundle. The statement bundle.
The witness statement.
Witness statement bundle. It's one of the files that it's a small file that you will have.
No, I don't have that.
Your client's statement, Mr. Ngwan.
Do note and realize what he's talking about, but it is not on the paginated bundle here.
Not the paginated
it's
bundle.
It's a standalone affidavit. It's your client's statement. Surely you must have it somewhere.
I have it somewhere, but it's not on page 1.
Please, all right, please get it wherever it is then.
Thank you, Commissioner. I have it.
There you say, on the 23rd day of December 2024, I found that Mr. Vusimuzi Kat Matlala left his Luxa African Brand Investments business gold card in the jet ski boat of Mr. Msibi. I then notified him that he left such bank card in the jet ski. The only time I used the above averred card was when Mr. Vusimuzi Kat Matlala requested me to use the said bank card to withdraw money to use to purchase the material to refurbish his boat and jet ski. I also bought the jet ski service kit through it on his request. That was done before the 23rd December 2024. I can't recall the dates on which such transactions were made. Is there anything you want to add to that at this point? That was what you put in your witness statement?
I don't exactly follow you, Commissioner.
Well, let me ask a couple of questions then. What refurbishment did Mr. Matlala need for his boat and his jet ski? What was the refurbishment that was necessary?
A jet ski cover, the seats, and some rubbers underneath the hull.
Of the jet ski? Sorry, I interrupted you. So you were just talking about ballast under the hull. Was that of the jet ski or the boat?
That's correct. And in addition to that...
Sorry, witness F, it was a question of the jet ski or of the boat?
Both the jet ski and the boat.
Both?
Yes.
And you were going on to say something else in relation to the jet ski?
The jet ski did not belong to him. The jet ski belonged to Mr. Sibiya. However, it was in his position for quite some time, and he stored it